Hey, good morning, everyone. How's it going? A little chilly out here this morning. It's like 40 degrees. Kind of surprised me. So what do I got now? I got a 2015 GMC Terrain that got towed into me with the Ecotech, whatever this is, 2.2, I think. Yeah. And, or no, 2.4. I'm sorry. I was just reading the label underneath the hood here. 2.4. I always mix them up. Doesn't matter, though. But anyway, so it got towed into us. It came from the dealer. The dealer told her that she needed an engine. So they gave her a price of $12,500. Well, first off, the car's only worth maybe $5,000. So, yeah. Anyway, so she wanted me to check it out. So I just got out here. I was told the battery's stone dead, so I'm going to have to jump start it. Not even sure if it does anything. I know it came in on a hook, but as soon as I opened up the hood, this is what I found. So you can see the airbox is not connected to anything. Just sitting there. The oil cap's missing. This tube is broken off. Unless the oil cap is inside, maybe. Oh no, the oil cap's right there, duh. But I mean, supposedly the dealership pulled the valve cover off. I don't know. Hard to tell. I mean, it looks like that bolt there is loose. Yeah, it's loose. I could turn it by hand. It's hard to tell if they actually did remove the valve cover. I see fingerprint marks. So maybe they did, but I don't know. I find it hard to believe that they would take all of that apart. I mean, I guess they did, but I don't know. I'm trying to see. I see what looks like fingerprint marks on the coils indicating they pulled them up. Maybe they just did enough to pull this thing up. Oh, look at that. They actually broke that stupid cover. Oh, no, that's actually for the airbox, the air muffler. They broke that off, too. Plenty of garbage in there. I don't have any air out here, so I can't blow that out. But let's try cranking it over, see what it does. Can I see anything inside? Here's my guess. What can I see inside? Light? Hello? Judging by that, I'm going to say that probably lacked some oil changes, which is common on these things. I don't know why people, for some reason, never bother to check their oil. And there is no oil on the stick. None. No oil on the stick. All right. Well, supposedly the battery's dead. Oh, look at that battery terminal. That's pretty cool. Let's just see what it does. Supposedly it's stone dead. We're going to find out real quick. Well, the seat does partially want to move, so I'm going to say that it's not enough to make it move backwards. I don't even know how many miles are on this car. Battery's dead enough to where it won't even do anything. Let's see. According to the sticker, I can't see what that mileage actually is. 118 or 138 or 188. I don't know. All right, let's hook up a booster pack real quick. And let's see what she does. All right, let's see. All right, came back to life. Oh yeah. You hear that? It's got zero compression. Let me try to. Yeah. She's done. She's done. There's no reason to go any further. It sounds like the chain broke or something like that. But like I said, I don't know how many miles are actually on this thing. And of course the battery pack quit. That's why I hate these battery packs. Let me reactivate it. Oops. What's the actual mileage on here? Of course, I don't even know how to get to... Why can't they make this simple? I don't even know how to get to the display. Menu? Oh, of course, just as I got to it, the mileage went out and I didn't get to see it. All right, so it's a menu button over here. 160,000. Like I said, this is all because of lack of maintenance. Obviously, it's got no oil in it. So, all right, it's done. It's going to need an engine. What are you going to do? All right. Well, we'll give the customer the bad news and see what they want to do. All right, well, hopefully you got something out of that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.